may be wondering why this starts at 7:30. You'll see why in a bit. Radar's been down every so often because of radar upgrades. And we've been just south of home. It's been fairly decent rainfall. Drove through, it wasn't too bad. At home, it's barely a fucking spit, so it's barely been lightly raining at home. So, and I left at around 4, so yeah, it's been barely a drizzle since 3. So, yeah. See how it's like tonight. Another late night work, another rainy fucking one. Means another rainy one. Thing is, at home it's only a millimeter, but I sit right under actually a nice little river of like, it's pissed a good like half an inch here or some shit, I believe. No, not half an inch, like 5 to 10 millimeters here. At home it's only probably like a couple by now, so that was about half an hour ago. Yeah, we'll see how it is at home right now. It's fairly steady. I'll be interested to see what it's like at home. Well, after starting out very, very slow, see there, we're now sitting under a stream of like persistent heavy rain here. We got one more round, seems like coming through. Tell by radar there. Yes. The Environment Canada's radar up here. I know I could do this all inside, but it's warmer in here than my room. But it really shows it well here. Look at the stream that's coming up. That's what I'm showing you guys this as well. Oh man. We're just sitting under a stream of moderate precip here. I'd give or take or saying moderate to heavy at points. Good thing I made my rain gauge calibrated. Shit. I can't check if it's correct or not right now. I have my manual one out as well. And we'll have to wait till this is over, which is probably looking like to be God knows when. I'll see you guys a little bit later on though. The new forecast for tomorrow is spicy. Yep. Wet. And fucking wet. We still feel a bit of moisture from the snow and all that, so it's like, yeah. Get my phone out now. What I'm going to do is just quickly check the rain gauge here. Won't hurt. Yeah, below the meniscus, we gotta account for that. So, give me a second. Yeah, there you go. That's read below that meniscus there. And that puts you just a touch above 1.1 inches there. Ouch, my legs. Oh, that's too high. Oh. Yeah, we're a touch above 0.1 there, and that probably is the case with this as well. I'm just not hearing it, maybe. Right. Oh shit, I thought this was on camera for a second. Come on, you shit. This way. Holy shit. Really coming down. Oh, whoa. Yeah, a bit pondy. I don't know why I'm starting to really look at it. Goes into here too. Jeez. How far in? There's so much moisture. It goes all the way. Man, there's a lot of moisture in. Available. Fairly, I'd probably say heavy at this point now. Steady, heavy rainfall now. This is the, so I saw the radar, it's like we're sitting right under probably the heaviest rates right now. Oh yeah, I better keep this on because we should have. And you can see it flowing off to the side there. foggier side too. Yeah. Oh, it's pretty bad. It's only 5 millimeters of rain too, but gotta check the rainfall rates on my station. I went 0 to 100 real quick. Don't want that sticking like that. It's pointless. I still gotta nail it in. I still gotta make some fixes to that. I'm thinking I might just need to get that thing and just jam it in. I won't even like change it. I think I'm just going to jam it in. Take that piece of wood and just flat facing shove it against this and then put it into the ground while it's at a wet surface, so that way it make advantage of the wetter conditions. So that way when it dries, it kind of like solidifies into the ground. But again, it's going to need some nailing and shit. So, anyways, steady, heavy rainfall. Lovely times. It's spring. What's new? Meteorological spring. Big dumb got caught up on other things, but here it is. This is what I was going to show. That was the big forecast update. Guys, there's a 40% chance of showers tomorrow with the risk of a thunderstorm in the afternoon. Haven't said that in a fucking while. Yeah, with snow level 700 meters rising to 1200 meters in the morning. With fog patches dissipating in the morning. It's not... Is it fog? Oh yeah, it is fog. Fog is developing. Yeah, that's what I thought. It's going to get very foggy tonight, I should say. Very foggy. But yeah, we can go for our first official chase tomorrow, potentially. The current plan, none. The plan is just kind of like a local thing because it's nothing big. It's an early season thing. I don't even think anything will actually develop into a thunderstorm tomorrow, but if there's anything even interesting on a local, regional scale, anyway, or regional scale, anyways, we'll go for it. But yeah, we'll see you guys in the morning. Alright, forecast update for the morning here. It's been sitting under a bunch of light fucking rain all morning. Show you guys outside in a second from the back. So I gotta get upstairs. You should anyways. But yeah, it's been pissing just the lightest amount of rain since fucking for the last little while. Plus it being like a mist, like it's been basically a misty rain on top of this when it wasn't even raining in the first place officially. Because it's so fucking moist. Like, it's been so fucking moist, man. Anyways, this is the forecast. Oh, that's interesting. Literally the only day with precip as well. Yeah, 6% chance of rain ending this morning with 6% chance of showers afterwards with the risk of a thunderstorm in the afternoon still. Yeah. We'll see how that one goes, but I haven't checked satellites, so maybe there's something to it. But yeah. The weather, it's not super good, but it's really showing this specific section here. You got 1 to 3 centimeters for the 7th at night, and then 2 to 4 millimeters with another 1 to 3 centimeters on the 8th. Funny part is, there's literally 0 precip in the forecast, and only as much as a 30% chance for the coast. For the specifically Tuesday anyways. So I find that quite hilarious. So we'll see how that one goes. How that one trends. Never mind the fact this actually used to be almost completely dry. The weather forecasting is flip-flop. And I quite honestly hate it. I am now switching from using the manual rain gauge to the automatic here after I've calibrated it and verified that it is within or less than 1 millimeter of error. So, yeah. I'll show you guys that at the end of the day. Every day we get rainfall. I'll still use the manual on the off day when it's like a widespread event or something, just for like verification's sake, or if I'm feeling up to it. Kind of like depending on my laziness of the day. Anyways, I'll see you guys later on today. Well, 11 o'clock update updated to 60 for the afternoon. Yeah. But now, sorry, not much is going on other than to our south. Kind of like around us, if you. Oh, Jesus. Look. Yeah, we're not gonna get shit today. So it tells me. We'll see. I'm 90% confident in that though. Forecast. Update 4 o'clock. Nothing. Thunderstorm obviously busted. I wasn't surprised that happened. But either way, 30% chance of showers or flurries Monday night. With a 6% chance of showers Tuesday, and then 6% chance of showers or flurries Tuesday night. Yeah, although quite the cool down there warms up, and then cool, like Tuesday night seems interesting. -6, but then still high. It's gonna be interesting, but either way, nothing interesting up until Tuesday. Here's the forecast. Very late update here. They just recently issued this. Well, not recently. A little over an hour and a half ago, but fog advisory in place for the second time this year. Like, literally, I've never been in a fog advisory up until this year, and we've gotten to them already. Yeah, fog tonight, and then fog dissipating in the morning, then mainly cloudy. Yeah, and then Friday night, fog patches developing overnight. Yeah. So far, it's pretty fucking spot clear right now of any fog patches, even. It's just a bit of cloud cover. Well, that says otherwise, but I'd say, yeah, cloudy, but yeah. Anyways, this is what the alert has to say. Nothing special. Time span now till noon. Favorable for a dense fog to develop. Will linger into late morning or near noon to dissipate. Yeah, nothing special to it. On that note, I'll leave you guys with that. I will see you guys in the morning. Making in 3.5 hours. Driving this rootin' bullshit. Look at this. There's even a breeze. This shit's even maintained its intense density. Such a breeze. man, why? Holy crap. This is what you could really tell how bad it is, and oh man, oh man. Holy fuck. Holy shit. Pea fucking soup, man. Just gonna go for another minute here, or 30 seconds. Fuck this, man. I ain't taking the highway in this garbage, that's for sure. It's barely above freezing. It's just barely not freezing fog. Yes, I'll see you guys later on at work, see how bad it is there. You would never even tell. Sort of, I guess, if you look. Higher up. Like the fog is probably elevated by 100 or so meters here. It's pretty clear. Look down there and see just a bit of hazy, foggy crap. But yeah, otherwise that's all cleared up here. Man, it was a pea soup back at home. I was going to show you guys what I know earlier in the morning today, but now it's something of interest. Or did I? I don't know. I think I did. I don't think I did. Sorry. Either way, this is what they updated it to. they were late with the update for some reason, but so it significantly cools there for Tuesday, Wednesday, after Tuesday. We got 2 to 4 millimeters Tuesday, followed by close to 5 centimeters of snow in the night, probably. And then -2 with a low of -10 on Wednesday there. And then it stays cold for the next few days there before it warms back up again. I believe that's how it goes. Well, it stays steady, I believe, actually. No, yeah, it does warm up. It warms back up afterwards, and we get like this weird 70% streak there from the 12th to the 14th with traces of precip on the 12th, a trace of rain and close to a centimeter on the 13th, and then close to a millimeter, and then a trace of snow on the 14th. Yeah, I don't know how much I believe that bullshit, but we'll see how that goes. So yeah, so much for that ridge that's been so hyped up. Last a whole fucking few days. Well, no, it's actually a little bit longer than that. A whole week. Christ, I hope this summer's like... I really hope this is a ode to how summer's gonna be. Only a ridge for a week and then a bunch of thunderstorm potentials. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Here's the update. Don't fucking ask. I've been awake for 3 hours. Just been busy with other shit. Yeah. They've really just dropped the ball for Monday, Tuesday there in terms of precip, and the models do commit to that as well. It's pretty fucking lackluster garbage, you know. It's not even forecastable. Personal forecastable at this point. However that means. But yeah, still cold afterwards. Yeah. Scroll it down, or you get a bunch of that same old bullshit. But the thing that really dies me away from believing this shit is the temperature trend. Look at that. 6 minus 1, okay. But then it goes 6 1 7 0 7 0 7 0 6 0 7 2. Yeah, no. Never mind the amount of precip as well. When you get low precip days with mid-range potential, yeah, no. They're gonna really go back on this, I can tell you that already, but we'll see. On that note, I'll see you guys maybe later on today, if not tomorrow morning. Forgot to show this yesterday. This was with a 4 o'clock update brought out. Normal day tomorrow, or today. And then Monday we got a 40% chance of showers with windy conditions possible. Then Monday night with a 40% chance of showers and a low of -5. Tuesday it's windy with a low of -10. And then Wednesday with a high of +2 and a low of -8. Yeah. Monday looks fairly convectively active. I'll have to check, we'll have to keep an eye on that. Might be an interesting day, but we'll see. I'll see you guys in the morning. Not feeling up to it. Speaking. Not in the mood. Yet again. Fairly windy tomorrow. I'll say that at least. Although I'm at work, so that's very, very small fraction of why I'm also pissed. Not in a good mood. Same shit as last night, but warmer anyways for Tuesday. It's starting to precipitate. Don't know what it is though. I think it's normal rain. But yeah. Getting on an unstable flow now. Some isolated convection moving in. Mostly rain here, but driving to work, we'll be running away from this. And no more snow, I guess I should also mention I haven't done anything outside snow-wise, snow-showing-wise in a while. Literally nothing left. Yeah. I'll see you guys later. Yeah, it's not overly crazy, but it's very interesting. I've never seen a warm west-northwesterly. This is very clearly ahead of the front, and then ahead of the Arctic air front right now. And so clearly we're not behind it yet. This is not what should be happening. Yeah, it's not very. Yeah, not very interesting. also has that same type of, as long as it goes as it does, you can be getting a cold northwesterlies above, but at the bottom, if they mix down, fall down the mountain, it's just gonna dry and cool and warm, sorry. Alrighty, so this happened tonight. Yeah, obviously I showed you guys the wind and all that, but this is actually what happened. So, orographic effect here. Winds kicked up out of the northwest, got up to 19.3 there at our, actually right after I went inside, and one big gust, it seems like. And then you can see there quickly uptick from just, I'd say about 5-6 degrees straight up to, went up to about 8 or so degrees, 8-9 degrees. And then it went downhill again there before midnight. Then it had a little bit more, you can see actually right there, had a little bit more left in it. Got a little gusty again between 12 and 1, kicked up the temperature again. Now we're on a consistent downtrend. It's currently 3 degrees. But yeah, and how fucking dry I got as well. 36%. I don't know if that's actually for tonight or yesterday it got that, or in the evening it got that low, but seems probable. But yeah, nothing super special beyond that in terms of the weather. We'll see you guys tomorrow morning, or in the morning, sorry. Notice that this one be. Hear that northerly breeze, I'll keep things on the cold side today. Yeah. It won't get super windy today, but breezy. Probably a little bit stronger than this, but yeah. Nonetheless. Colder side. 3 degrees right now, and actually maintaining because of the breeze. Usually by this point in the day it would be like soaring. Nice. Yeah, nothing interesting beyond that. Sun's nice and warm too. A little bit of mood, if you will. Light breeze up above, nothing down to the surface, I would assume anyways. There's just a whole fucking bunch of it around. It was windy for most morning. I'll show you guys that in a bit. Yeah. It's supposed to be windy tomorrow morning as well, hopefully, so we'll see how that goes. There she is. There's a Virgo to our west. Or mini storm, if you will, as I used to like to call it. Honestly, still at some points I do. Taking a look out here. Still a slight breeze. Otherwise, yeah. Nothing noticeable, so assume it wasn't that windy. Still hanging on to some snow. Thing is, this breeze is keeping things warm. It's not allowing the cold air to mix. It's because it's rolling down off the mountains, obviously. Because of that roll off the mountains that continues, it's not allowed temperatures to actually cool. It's allowed them to warm. And dry. So we're getting that dry Arctic air. We're getting that dry air typical of an Arctic event. But we're not getting the cold. The dew point right now is at minus fucking 15. You know what? No, sorry. The last I checked, the dew point was at minus 15. The wind dies sometime, usually a little bit after midnight, it seems like. And then it starts kicking up again. So maybe we'll get some more efficient cooling, like cooling as in like, I don't fucking know, like minus 5 or some shit. So it's already 0. The cold air is very slowly mixing. Not mixed enough. I assure you, it has that bite. Like if it was like minus 5 right now, holy shit. But it has that bite because my hands are frozen. It's only 1 degree. This wind has a bite to it. It is fucking dry right now. Like it is absurdly dry. Although I'll check the temperature trend. Maybe this is actually the start of the cooling process. But it's very much still freezing. I mean, above freezing. And the cloud cover's been a dick as well because of the trough as well. Which is also why we got that bit of virga or light precip, if you will, whatever. That's why we have got that this afternoon / evening. I can almost expect that once this wind dies, holy fuck, it's gonna get cold. I'm almost thinking right here, holy shit, that it's gonna be probably like -10 tonight if this wind dies off quick enough by midnight and we clear, you know. But yeah, this wind has a bite to it. Climb to the top here because you can hear that, and that's the sound of it up there. So I'm gonna grab some gloves and a winter jacket because it is fucking cold and it has a huge bite to it, but it's just not mixing. But yeah, it's gonna be probably the next couple hours. Chill out a bit. Hopefully cool. Alright, here's past conditions update. So yeah, I've realized it's been a combo of just a dry Arctic air mass over us, plus the fact that when the sun goes down, obviously all the heat from the ground radiates back up into the air, and then once you get that wind mixing, it brings it all right back down. That's what's happened here, just not as significantly because the temperature, well, it's only 8.2, plus the fact that it's just been windy all fucking day, so this has been constant circulation. It's never really settled, if you will, compared to yesterday. Yeah. Or last night, if you will. And then this was the conditions at the airport. Obviously windier there because of higher station and opener area. I bet you if mine was 10 meters up, it would probably be pretty good as well, but I don't think I can erect a fucking 10-meter pole in my fucking backyard. I don't think that's physically possible. I don't think that's legitimately possible around here without some kind of permanent bullshit. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the morning. Right, here's the update for the morning. Yeah, so got down to minus 10.6 last night. Not too shabby, not too shabby. You know what? I fucking called it too. I said last night, I wouldn't be surprised with where we are now, it would get down to minus 10 at midnight. And would you look at that, it got down to minus 10.6. You got within fucking 0.6 degrees of my guess. How nice. But yeah, winds have been dead, so it's allowed for sufficient cooling, and actually the dew point is slightly increased to a more, I guess you could say, a modest minus 13. But then now sun's out and dew point's dropping again. It's already at minus, I believe it's already almost at minus 15 again, if not already. Because the minimum here is minus 15.6, and look where it is there, so. I don't know. Wait. Yeah, minus 15. You can see that there. Exactly. Yeah. And then we got the weather network here. Environment Canada's forecast. It's just like the polar opposite of the weather networks time and time again. Because, like, let's look at all this precip they have for the next 7 days. Put in a comparison here, the weather Environment Canada has jack squat for the next 7 days. Mind you, it's more so 6 days. Well, it's more so 6 days, but still. Look at all the precip they have here, while Environment Canada just has, I believe, 1 full day of precip potential, and that's it. The weather network is pretty heavy on the precip. So, although I do tend to believe the weather network does it better, but I think they pull the call too close. They pull the call too late, early. Should wait for some further runs, closer runs. But whatever. And then after that period, though, it actually dries out quite significantly. Actually, I didn't even notice this part. I've actually completely skipped over that part. I looked at this and was like, I need to make a forecast. And I never scrolled down. Dries up pretty much completely after the 17th. With obviously, I guess, some chances of flurries here, I guess. 18th, I don't know what that is. But yeah. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on today. Hopefully we get some winds going here soon, but it's looking doubtful. And I think it is doubtful because the high is going to replace itself into the interior and shift south so this afternoon, so I doubt it. Anyways, I'll see you guys later on today nonetheless. Breeze I've been missing, I guess. Get stronger probably. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to leave now. It's not going to change much. The forecast has become just good enough, I guess. Thanks to the update here at 11 o'clock, but now 4 o'clock. Yeah, the 40% chance of rain showers and flurries all day Friday. What makes this showable now. 30% chance of showers Sunday night through till Monday night as well. But fairly warm, so yeah. I'll be ending the video tomorrow morning. Yeah. Morning update. Not gonna make any commentary for this because, to be quite honest with you, I'm not particularly liking the forecast much. So, yeah. If this was summer, I would, but it's fucking March, so this is just disgusting weather. So it doesn't deserve anything. Fuck off. And who am I willing to bet 90% of this won't even verify? No, it's like 75, 90 is a bit much. 75. Precip wise, excluding temperatures, just precip wise, I bet you 75% if this won't even fucking happen. 75% of this will actually be dry. The other 25% will actually have some sort of precip. On that note, see you guys in the next video. Peace.